Hi guys, this is LRC3 Alcohol Cleaner for cleaning the surface of your leather. Its main purpose is to be used once you've prepared the surface, ready for a colour restoration. The final stage before applying the colour would be to wipe the surface down with the alcohol cleaner, because it will really deep clean and sanitise the area ready for your colouring. Because you can, in the process of removing all the colour, if you're not wearing gloves, grease and things from your mitts will get on here and get into the hide, because basically what you've done is once you've removed the surface colour, you're left with basically like an aniline skin. So you would use the LRC3 Alcohol Cleaner just to give that a final wipe over. The other good thing with this is it's water miscible, so that means it can be mixed with water and it can be thinned down and used that way as a sort of like a stain remover if you don't happen to have any stain removers with you at the time. The other thing that you can do with this as well, if LRC1 happened to not remove a deep stain for you, which would be quite remarkable, but if it happened to not remove that stain, what you can do is mix some of your LRC3 alcohol cleaner in with LRC1 leather cleaner, and you put in about 10% ratio alcohol cleaner to the leather cleaner, and that way you can use it to deep clean the leather that way as well. So it's a very, very simple process. Again, screw cap, take it off. There's a plug in the top, take the plug out, which we put in for transportation. And what you're going to do is just, imagine there's no colour on here whatsoever. And we're just going to give that a sanitising wipe over. So you'd get some of the alcohol cleaner on the cloth and you just simply wipe that over the surface like so. And that would sanitise the area and make it perfect for doing any colour restoration. You can see as well that it's deep cleaning that as well as we're going. But I wouldn't recommend using this as a leather cleaner. It is not. It's an alcohol based, and it will affect your clear coat lacquer if you do use it as a cleaner. And what you will have to do is to re-lacquer the surface again if you use this as a standalone cleaner on your leather. It's not advisable one little bit, because I'll give you a good demonstration as to why it's not advisable any second now, which you're going to clearly see. This is a leather chair from a Stressless, which is obviously clear coat lacquered, and as you can see where we've rubbed that now 3 times, you can see the effect that the alcohol has had on the leather surface. So you wouldn't use LRC3 as a standalone leather cleaner at all. That's where you would use the dedicated leather cleaners like the LRC1 and the luxury leather cleaner and the aniline leather cleaner. So that is how you use LRC3 alcohol cleaner.